These top-tier crossbows are designed to deliver unmatched accuracy, power, and speed. Hey there, my adventure crew. Welcome back to Huntscribe. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best crossbows for deer hunting that are making waves this year. Whether you're survival gear aficionado, huntastic, wilderness warrior, or outdoor equipment buff, we've got something for everyone. Are you ready to take your deer hunting to the next level? Whether you're a seasoned hunter or just starting out, these crossbows will give you a significant advantage. Get ready to experience the thrill of the hunt like never before. Let's dive into the world of crossbow hunting and discover the perfect weapon for you. Love what you see? Grab these amazing products through the links mentioned below in the description while getting the best deals. Your purchase helps us keep bringing you awesome reviews. Let's begin with the number 5 product on our list is EXCLUSIVE Recurve Crossbow. The EXCLUSIVE Recurve Crossbow is a fantastic option for both beginners and experienced hunters. It's powerful, accurate, and easy to use. One of the things I like most about this crossbow is its compact and lightweight design. It's easy to carry and maneuver, making it perfect for hunting in tight spaces. The powerful 175-pound draw weight delivers impressive speed and accuracy, ensuring a clean kill. The red dot scope is a great addition, making it easy to aim and shoot accurately. The included accessories like the quiver, stringer, and cocking rope make it easy to get started. At number 4 is TenPoint Turbo S1. The TenPoint Turbo S1 is a fantastic crossbow for deer hunting. It's powerful, accurate, and easy to use. One of the things I like most about the Turbo S1 is its compact design. It's easy to carry and maneuver, making it perfect for hunting in tight spaces. The powerful 390 FPS speed ensures a clean kill, and the variable speed scope makes it easy to aim and shoot accurately. The ACU slide cocking system is smooth and quiet, and the zero creep trigger provides a crisp and consistent trigger pull. The micro-track barrel helps to reduce string wear, ensuring that your crossbow will last for many years to come. The third one on our list is Wicked Ridge Commander M1. The Wicked Ridge Commander M1 is a fantastic crossbow for deer hunting. It's lightweight, compact, and powerful. One of the things I like most about the Commander M1 is its compact design. It's easy to carry and maneuver, making it perfect for hunting in tight spaces. The lightweight design also makes it less tiring to carry, especially on long hunting trips. The 4X scope is a great addition, providing clear and accurate aiming. The rope sled cocking device makes it easy to cock the crossbow, even for people with less upper body strength. The pre-sighted design means you can start shooting right out of the box. The included arrows and quiver make it easy to carry everything you need for a successful hunt. On number 2 is WT Mini Striker. The WT Mini Striker crossbow is a fun and versatile toy that's perfect for target practice and backyard fun. It's lightweight and easy to use, so even kids can enjoy it. One of the best things about the Mini Striker is its built-in crank. This makes it easy to load the crossbow, even for young kids. The crossbow is also powerful enough to shoot bolts at a high speed, making it a great way to improve your aim. The compact design makes it easy to carry and store, and the adjustable stock allows you to customize the fit. The red dot sight helps you aim accurately, and the included bolts are a great way to get started. Now moving to the last one is Barnett Whitetail. The Barnett Whitetail Hunter 400 XTR is a fantastic crossbow for deer hunting. It's powerful, accurate, and easy to use. One of the things I like most about the Whitetail Hunter 400 XTR is its compact design. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for hunting in tight spaces. The powerful 400 FPS speed ensures a clean kill, and the multi-reticle scope makes it easy to aim and shoot accurately. The soft-lock floating bristle arrow retainer and anti-dry fire trigger system make the crossbow safe and easy to use. The cocking device makes it easy to cock the crossbow, even for people with less upper body strength. Overall, the Barnett Whitetail Hunter 400 XTR is a great crossbow that I would highly recommend to any hunter. It's well-made, powerful, and easy to use. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best crossbows for deer hunting. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.